Okay,
Evening.
good evening. Okay, Vaishnavi, introduce yourself.
Good evening, all of you, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Vaishnavi. I am a
And?
student of D Pharma.
Okay. So, you sell medicine currently, or like you are into studying only?
Only study.
Okay. Tell me one thing that you want to change in the society that you think is wrong or bad. One change in the society.
Misogynist thinking in men.
Like, do you think that people are still misogynist, that like they are not treating women equally?
Still, yes, sir.
How?
Like
You
yesterday in
Okay.
cricket match, women's cricket match, and not too much celebrate people
No, people celebrated
like
yesterday. Like in men.
like
Okay.
men. Yes.
Okay. So do you think that
And too much trolling also in the
don't you think that
in the social
don't you
media.
think that people are developing, like people are thinking actually, like people are actually getting better day by day? Like earlier they are not better, like
Yes,
they are
sir.
not, the girls are not able to play. Now they are playing and people are really appreciating. Like, don't you think the world is getting better each day?
Yes, I think according to old days,
No, but the current status is there is too much positivity. Like people are putting statuses, people are
yes, sir,
appreciating
but
girls.
still there are too much negativity in social media for women's.
Like what kind of negativity do you face?
Like not in cricket, if a girl or on
Girl
money
money.
in going hospital in night and
But
selling anything.
but going to some places are even dangerous for boys also. Like going to a different city at night alone is also like difficult and dangerous for boys also. Like like the boys' mothers are also like stopping them not to go at night. Where is the inequality exist? Like the mothers are stopping their boys also. Like you do guys have many brothers and sisters. Mothers are stopping their kids. Like boys also
No,
don't
sir,
go.
I don't think so. Boys are more freedom according to girls.
Boys have more freedom according to like in regards of girls.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Vaishnavi, if I give you one chance to just go to one country, visit one country, which country you want to visit?
I will go Korea,
North Korea or South Korea?
South Korea.
Why?
Because
Why
I like
Korea?
Korean serials and web series, so
North.
Korea, South Korea.
Okay. South Korean serials and okay. So why do you want to visit that country? Serials
It's a
are
pretty
enough. Don't you like the Indian serials?
No, sir.
Why?
I don't like Indian serials like Saas Bahu, Husband and
There is no Saas Bahu or husband.
no, sir. It's a friendship,
Okay.
beautiful kind of love.
Like you have seen animes or something or the
No,
serials?
only serial.
Okay, the Korean serials.
Yes.
How do you get it? The subtitles or the English dubbing?
Hindi dubbing.
Okay, there is Hindi dubbed also.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, if I give you a power to like be invisible, power of invisibility, how you're going to use it in one day? Like what you're going to do in one day? The full one day, if I give you the power to be invisible and you can go around the world, what you're going to do?
I will visit secret places
Okay, secret places.
like some temples.
Okay, the restricted area.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what if you'll get cursed?
I don't think so. It's a good.
Then and many only secret places like temples and all.
And also,
Okay, what if they are empty? What if the rooms are empty? There is nothing. What you will do then?
there is no if there is no secret,
It's okay. You have got like your power of invisibility will be gone in one day. What you are going to do then? You have wasted your power in finding secrets.
and I will go Shah Rukh Khan house also.
Okay, Mannat.
Yes.
Shah Rukh Khan's house. Why? You like Shah Rukh Khan? You like Shah Rukh Khan as an actor, or
Yes.
like you're a fan of him?
Only fan.
You're a fan. Okay, tell me the 5 qualities of Shah Rukh Khan that you think:
His positivity,
his positivity,
his career,
his
mindset,
his mind, and his house, and last.
and his family.
Okay, these are the qualities of Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, of course, sir. Yes,
How? Like house cannot be a quality of a person.
because he made his house.
Okay.
He earned money and he made house. He earned money and he.
Okay, what is your dream? Like, what is your dream? What you want to become in life? What you want to do in life?
Currently, I'm confused.
You're confused.
I have completed my D Pharma degree and my family against the career. So I will